Hi everyone, welcome back to Financially Frugal. Today I'm here to go through my weekly update for my individual retirement account. This one is a Roth IRA, and I just wanted to give a little update on it. So before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button below this video. Also ring the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Also, while you're down there, go ahead and drop a like on this video. Help us get off to a good start. So with all that done, let's go ahead and get started here. So this week, my portfolio, I'm still working on the recovery from the downtime that we had back in March. So I've started to recover pretty well. It started to go back up, but I'm actually down in the money-weighted return of about 7%. I'm down $245.16. But kind of the way I look at it is I'm more interested in this number as far as whether I'm up or down. This is basically what this number is these numbers combined. So I'm up in dividends for all time, $167.69, but I'm down in growth, $412.85. So this is kind of what I'm more interested in looking at, but also because my portfolio, kind of the way my strategy is working, is I'm trying to find stocks that are good, stocks that I believe in, and stocks and ETFs and REITs and items like that. But I'm trying to find things that I believe, are good companies that will be around for the long haul, and preferably those that either I think have good growth potential. I've got a few that don't pay dividends, that I'm just, hoping that I bought when they're on the low end of their price, and that they will, over the next 25, 30, 35 years while this portfolio grows, I'm hoping that they just continue to appreciate in value. So I'm buying ones that I think have good growth potential, but also I'm buying ones that are paying a dividend. So what my goal is, what I would really like to be able to do is have, 25, 30, 35 years from now, when I'm drawing money out of this account in retirement, I'm hoping that the dividends that come in, at very least pay supplement a good portion of my income that I have coming in retirement. And it would really be nice if I have enough that, the dividends coming in would cover everything that it would cover all of my expenses, and then hopefully I never have to touch the money that I put in, and I can just let it keep growing and accumulating. So anyway, I'm going to come up here and go through the activity for this week. So I'm going to come up here to the date range, and I'm going to put, checking my calendar here real quick to see what date range I want to put in. So give me just a moment. I believe I'm going to put in May. I kind of wish they had a calendar drop down here. That's kind of a standard thing, so that'd be a good feature. So M1 Finance, if you happen to be watching this, it would be great if you clicked on this and it would give you a little calendar to drop down. But it's no problem. I can just pull it up here real quick. So I'm going to do the 17th through, through the 30th, I believe. No, not through the 30th, excuse me. I'm going to do through the 23rd, because I just want to get this week. All right. So what came up this week as far as dividends? I got the PSEX, the Property Capital Corporation, and I got $2.02. That's what, if you saw the cash I had on hand, that's where that came from these dividend payouts. And also I did, with some previous dividends that I had, I bought $9.23 in Simon Property Group, and also $9.23 in Gilead Sciences. So this is one that I was kind of interested in. I decided, I know that from my understanding, they are working on a potential vaccine for COVID. And so I just decided, I'd throw a little bit of money. I don't have much in it. I mean, it's less, it's probably about $75 at the most. But I decided to throw a little bit in, just see what happens, see where it goes. And I'm actually going to bring this back one more week. So let's see if I do the math. I think that would make it be the 10th. And we'll just say the 17th. That's a little longer. But this was a very active, week here as far as getting dividend payouts. So I got here $3.79 from AG&C, and this is a monthly paying dividend. I got 81 cents from Apple, $1.74 from AbbVie, 16 cents. Actually, it's so it's about, what is that? $1.19 total from Main Street Capital. $1.05 from Procter and Gamble, $1.23 from Realty Income Corporation, and a whopping $12.44 for Tanger Outlet. So just with things going on with COVID, Tanger stock has been pretty low. You can find it trading under $6 a share. So I just went while it was down and bought a lot of Tanger Outlet stocks. And I think it's one of the, as far as stock number goes, it's one of the most shares that I own. I think I own 40 or so shares as of right now. But they did one dividend payment, and then now it's suspended now. But before it got suspended, they paid out for me $12.44. So that was a very good payment there, and I look forward to hopefully when they start making the dividend payments again. I don't really expect, they believe that based on their calculations, because REITs have to pay a certain amount of their profits out in dividends every year, and they're paying pretty high already. And so from what Tanger has said, they believe that they've already met their obligation for the year. So I don't really see Tanger starting to restarting their dividend this year. I mean, it could happen, or it may restart but be lower, a lower yield. But it'd be nice if they got it started back up again. So hopefully that'll happen. But if they don't, it's a nice while it lasted there. And as of right now, I'm not planning on selling any of the Tanger Outlet shares that I have. So I'll hang on to them, and hopefully next year they pick back up and start paying out a nice dividend again. All right, so for the last week, or week before last, I did buy $3.79 in AG&C, and I bought here $30 in Gilead Sciences, $10 more in Tanger Outlet, and $10 in Walgreens. So those were the investments that I made. So one day, I don't want this video to get too long, but one day I'm going to come in and kind of talk about the different stocks that I own and kind of why I feel like they're a good value. But I just wanted to give a little update on how everything's going right now. Still in the hole, but this is a retirement account, and I'm not planning on touching any of the money in this account. I mean, I can't unless I want to pay taxes and possible penalties on it. So I'm going to leave it in for the long run. So the way I'm choosing to look at it is, yes, I have lost money here, but also right now that means the stocks that I own are cheaper than when I bought them. So now when I put money in, because I'm putting the same amount roughly in every week, I usually try to do $50 plus reinvesting whatever dividends I have in place. So I just see that as now I can get more for my money. And, sure, the stock market's going to go up and it's going to go down, but my feeling and based on past trends is if you look at the stock market for the long haul, then it continues to go up. So it will have times where it goes down, but if you look at the stock market now compared to, many, many, many years ago, 50, 60, 70 years ago, I think you would find that it's higher now than it was back then. So that's kind of my thought is I'm going to get the stocks that I have. If I buy more shares, I'm going to get them for less money. So that means I can buy more shares, which means more potential for growth in the future. And for many of the stocks that I own, that means potential for more dividend payouts. So that's all for today. I just wanted to go through this real quick. So once again, if you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button below this video. Also ring the bell icon next to the subscribe button. Drop a like on this video and also leave a comment down below. And let me know, do you have a retirement account set up? What stocks do you have in? Are you letting your money ride in the stock market? Are you selling out? Are you putting more in now than you would normally put? Or are you putting less, and why? So kind of interested to know. And also one more thing, if you are interested in signing up for a M1 Finance account, either a individual account or a Roth account or a regular retirement account, I'm going to leave a link down in the description so you'll be able to sign up. It'll direct you over to their website and you'll be able to sign up there and fund your account and get started on this fun ride here. All right, so that's all for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Stay healthy out there, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.